Hello my YouTube audience, this is Caleb Grill here with a new video. So it's been a while since the last one. We're here to talk about tractors today and how I got into liking them and appreciating them and also driving them. Anyway, my grandfather on my mom's side, her stepfather is a farmer. I'd go to the farm all the time when I was a kid. I still go there occasionally. Sometimes maybe for a dinner, holiday, birthday event, or to lend a help once in a while. Anyway, it's a place that I've loved ever since I was a little kid, and that's where I gained my love of tractors. Now, my grandfather, he has mostly JI Case tractors, and also Case IH, and I've ridden them for as long as I can remember. And I've ridden in a lot of them. When I was very, very little, I'd ride with him on his SC, 9870, his 930, and his 1070 Black Knight, and 1270, 2470, 4894, 7140, 9180, 450 quad track. Yeah, I've ridden in a lot of tractors in my life. And I've always had fun. And I got some of my best memories of my childhood on the farm. And I've always appreciated that time. And I always will. And sorry for a bit of a mess in the background. I've been doing some cleaning. Alright, everybody. If you got some more questions about which tractor I've driven and ridden in, please put it in the comments, and I'll do a video on each tractor I've ridden in, and also do a video on each tractor I have driven. Alright, everybody. See you in the next video, which I'll do on Sunday. I'm going to be posting twice weekly from now on, and hopefully I would love to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That'd be amazing. Alright, everybody, if you like what you see, like, comment, share, and subscribe.